Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to explain to you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix K12 speaker not charging. So as you can see, the first thing you're going to do is to check the charging cable and adapter. So you're going to try different cables and adapters, use a different USB cable and wall adapter to rule out faulty accessories. That is also very important. You're going to then inspect for damage. Examine the charging cable and adapter for any visible signs of wear or damage. So basically, if it's like maybe you can see that like it is a little bit damaged on one side as an example, or maybe it's like almost completely like gone or completely cracked on one side. And so just check it. It's very important. Then the step number 2 is going to be for us to inspect the charging port. So you're going to actually clean it, use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris from the charging port. That can also solve this issue. Then you're going to check for a loose connection. Gently wiggle the charging cable when plugged in to see if the connection is actually stable. Then step number 3, if nothing works, you're going to perform a reset. So reset the speaker. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to reset the device. This can sometimes resolve charging issues as well, just so you know. Step number 4, inspect the battery. So a battery replacement. If the speaker is old or have been used like a lot, the battery might be depleted. So consider replacing the battery if it's not holding a charge. Then step number 5, advanced troubleshooting. You're going to have the internal inspection. Of course, this is if nothing else actually worked. So if you're comfortable with electronics, you can open the speaker to check for any internal issues, such as loose connection or damaged components. You can also, as you can see, go to a professional repair. So if the above steps don't actually resolve your issue, consider seeking professional repair services. But probably I would say that these steps, like these last steps right here, I mean, it's probably even better to just buy a new speaker, at least in my opinion. But try these 4 things right here and hopefully you will be able to fix it. And if you cannot fix it with these 4 right here, I would say try to buy a new speaker. That is at least my advice to you.